You will see Sir Gary and Bradman sir. Then WG Grace, Victor Trumper and Bradman sir again. It's the original signs. And we come to again Sir Donald and his stats and everything is there, where he scored his 100, against whom, त्यांचे pictures, again autographs. आम्ही दोघं का? मी एक जण या बाजूला एक जण त्या बाजूला. ओके ओके. रोहन इथे बघा प्लीज. Three living legends where you get to see Ricky, Rahul and you, those who have scored more than 10,000 runs. So त्यांच्या बॅट्स तुमची, राहुलची आणि रिकीची चांगले. डिनरला भेटलो This is 2010.